Hi everyone, today I'm gonna do another project of my 100 Python project challenge. And for this challenge, I'm gonna do a basic encryption function. And I will start by importing my regular expressions class. And I can import it this way. Then I will, of course, create my function and I will name it encrypt password, and of course it should take password as a variable. Then what I'm gonna do, actually I can mm, get password inside of the function, not as an argument. So inside my function I will create password and I will say enter password. Now what I'm gonna do, in this password I will make a new password, and this password will use subfunction of my imported regular expression class, and I will call this function this way. Now first I will enter my the first thing will be what I'm gonna change. For example, if my password is test, then this E will be what I'm gonna change. And for the second input, I'm gonna set what I will change it with. For example, if I'm gonna change this E with 3, I can enter here 3 or 4 or 5, whatever I want. For example, I will enter 3 here. Then I will enter my password. And password. Why I am entering password? Because here I am using this password and this is my variable, so I should enter it here if I wanna change it. And what will this function do? This function will change all of E's inside this password with 3. That's what will my function do. Now let's test it. I'm not gonna return value, I will just print this new password. Then I should call this function and let's test it. For example, if I enter test, as you can see, it changes E letter with 3. What? First, I want to fix this input mistake here. They are on the same line and it's not looking good, so I change it. Now I will try another change. For example, it I should add parentheses here. As you can see, what will this part do? It will change A with 4, A letter with 4. Let's test it here. Let's test it again. For example, I will enter teeth and as you can see, it changes my E with 3 and my A with 4. By the way, why I used password in here and new password in here? Because now my variable changed. I am setting my new password variable using my previous password variable, so I should use my new password here, because if I don't do this way, it will just change E here. It will change A word in my password, but it's not gonna touch E words in my password. So I should use my new password here. I guess that's it more for this function. If you want, you can add another conditions like, for example, change B with 5. You can add as much as you want. Actually, regular expressions is really big topic, but I'm not gonna answer it here. I will just explain my encrypt password function. So that's it for this project. We will meet again in next project. I guess it will be 8. Yeah, my 8th Python project. So see you again in next video.